Hi, grade 2. How are you? I hope you are fine. I'm here again and miss you so much. In the last session, we talked block light materials means materials block the light, and reflected light materials means materials redirect or reflect the light, and light passing through materials means materials allow passing of the light. So now I'm going to ask you, be ready? What is the meaning of reflected light materials? Can you answer? Yes, you are super. Materials redirect or reflect the light. Can you give me examples of blocked light materials? Yes, you are super. Book and door. Can you give me examples of light passing through materials? Yes, eyeglasses and glass cup. This is so easy. You are super. Our lesson today on page 36 in your booklet will learn us how the light travel. How the light travel from place into another place. The light travels in a straight line. The light travels in a straight line. Can you repeat after me? The light travels in a straight line. Like here in this photo, the orange light go or travel in a straight line, and blue and pink light also travel in a straight line. And here in this photo, the light of the torch also travel in a straight line. The light of the torch also travel in a straight line. In this photo, we have three sheets are put in a straight line as your morning line in the school. So these are three sheets put in a straight line. We make a hole in each sheet. As you see, each sheet has hole. And we put a candle in front of the holes of the sheet. And you look from the other side, you can see the light of the candle. You can see the light of the candle. Why? Because of the holes in a straight line and the candle also in a straight line with the sheets. So the light travel in a straight line and the light can travel through the sheet. But if you move the middle sheet, this middle sheet, you can't see the light of the candle from the other side because of the sheets will not be in a straight line, so the light can't travel on them. This experiment say to us the light travels in a straight line. Now focus and watch this video. And don't do this in your home, just watch, okay?
Never try to attempt an experiment without an adult supervision. We often read in textbooks that light travels in a straight line. Do you believe that? Have you ever observed the beam of light entering inside a dark room through a tiny hole in the window? What do you see? Do you see light traveling in a straight line? Hello friends, today we will perform a very simple experiment to prove that light indeed travels in a straight line. All that you would need to start the experiment are 3 old CDs. So the CD should be old because during the experiment they might get scratched. Thread, a candle and 6 clips. These clips we normally use to dry clothes. So first of all we will have to make a stand for these CDs. So for that we will make use of these clips. So hold the CD upright and then fix the clip. Please make sure that the CD remains upright, that is, it should be perpendicular to the plane of the table. So this is ready. In a similar way, we will do it for the other 2 CDs. So now all the 3 CD stands are ready. So what we want to do now is, we want to align these 3 in a straight line. We have to align them in such a way that the holes of the 3 CDs lie in a straight line. So how do we ensure that they are in a straight line? So for that purpose, we will use a thread. So we take this thread and we tie it straight on the table. So you can make use of sellotape to fix it at both ends. So you see, now you have a straight line. So now we'll place the CDs one after another. So now when you place them on the thread, then you know that they are exactly in straight line. Now you take the candle and
CDs
place
in
it
the
at
line,
one
in a
end.
straight
You
line.
place the candle also on the thread. So now make sure that the tip of the candle and the holes of the CDs, all of these lie in a straight line. So for that, you will have to ensure that the height of the candle and
So
the height
the
of the
candle
hole of
also
each
in
of
a
the
straight
CDs,
line
they are the
with the
same.
holes
Now
of the
try to
CDs.
observe the flame of the candle from the other side. So your line of sight should be same as this line, the holes on the CDs, and you are able to see the flame right now. Yes? Okay. Now, why do you see this flame? That's because
So you
light
can see
travels
now
through these
the
holes
light
and
or
reaches
the
your
flame
eye.
of the candle.
Now let's see what happens
If I move the middle one of the
CD
CD,
slightly.
you can see
The
the
moment
light
we
or the
displace
flame
it
of
a
the
bit,
candle.
what happens? Are you still able to see the flame?
No.
No. Why did that happen? That's because the light came here and it got blocked here. Because we have displaced the CD, the hole is not there. So the light is not able to come any further and you are not able to see it. Now, had light the ability to take curved turns, in that case light could have actually taken this turn and then it could have come through this hole and you could have seen it. But since light travels in a straight line, therefore we did not see the flame. So this experiment very clearly proves that light always travels in a straight line. Few important points to be noted.
So the light travels in a straight line. The light travels in a straight line. Now complete. Can anyone tell me the light travels in what? Yes, in a straight line. You are super. Bye, my lovely kids. I will miss you. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you again. Bye.